I want to win, bro. I got to win. I'm telling y'all right now, anything I do, not look over my shoulder, I'm down with it. Yeah. It's easy. Once I learned the credit game, it was over. The game was over. But I know I had all the millions and I didn't even have a credit card, the dumbest. I was like the dumbest person ever. I used to just spend money on everything. Man, please. Yeah. Please. I'm going to open up an insurance, put $2-3 million in my insurance, and borrow from that and put it back in. I never lose my money, ever.
So Waka Flocka will get a pass on his language with borrowing from his policy. I think it's pretty cool that he's talking about financial freedom and control and putting a couple $1 million into a life insurance policy. And he's either working with someone that does IUL or whole life, and essentially he's taken some of his money that he's earned, put it in a place that's going to be there for him the rest of his life, and it's not going to win any investment awards, but it's going to be like that turtle that continues to grow. And he has the ability to control that capital to do other things. And I think this strategy is really, really powerful for high income earners like Waka Flocka, because a lot of times people just make a ton of money and they spend it and then they have nothing to show for it. And this gives a little bit more accountability to making money and using it throughout your life.
Hey, I've been hearing a lot about life insurance being a good investment. Life insurance is life insurance. Sure, there may be some financial benefits, but since you're 20, it probably doesn't make sense for you. But I saw this guy on TikTok. Let me guess. He promised that by investing in life insurance, you'd be able to make 4 times the amount of investment income in retirement versus using a traditional retirement account. Yes, and then it wouldn't matter if the stock market went up or down, right? Yeah. Well, did he tell you that for the first 15 years, there are incredibly high penalties if you need to withdraw your money? No. Did he tell you that Investopedia compared indexed universal life insurance with 401ks and that 401ks came out the clear winner due to the unnecessarily high fees with IULs? No. Well, he must have mentioned how he collects a fat check every time someone signs up, right? Okay, I get it. Life insurance, not a great investment for most people. How do you even know this? I'm your rich BFF. I don't have any get-rich-quick schemes here, but if you actually want to learn about personal finance, you know what to do.
I'm actually a really, really big fan of this video. I think your rich BFF did a phenomenal job. I'm someone that's very pro life insurance. I've written a book on life insurance, but I would never say it's an investment. And quite frankly, now that I'm new to TikTok, I'm kind of appalled on all the videos that are like, oh, do this and you'll become wealthy, or put your money into this and you'll have 4 times income. And I think it's very, very scary, to be quite frank. And I think we need to have a discussion to say, hey, if life insurance wasn't an investment, is there a play for it in your portfolio? I think the answer is yes. I think it can enhance your income, not by the insurance policy directly, but what it can do in your portfolio. And I'm just really, really, really want to caution you to get caught up in the hype of life insurance. And this is coming from someone who is licensed and has a company that's licensed in all 50 states. And so I just want you all to know that. I think she did a really good job. And I think there's a couple things that we could potentially have a disagreement on. But overall, I think we have to be very, very careful of the get-rich-quick schemes that a lot of people get hyped into, whether it's crypto or life insurance. Hey, I want to thank you so much for watching this video to the end. This video is on life insurance, and if you have more questions about life insurance, infinite banking, why you should overfund it, we have a link below that goes to our And Asset Vault. This is a free vault that gives you everything you need to know about life insurance. We have case studies, we have a calculator on there, we have a handbook, we have frequently asked questions, we go through a process, I have my masterclass on there. We literally want to be the one-stop shop for every life insurance decision. And so if you want to learn more, click the link below, and we look forward to educating and maybe opening your mind and eyes to the power of life insurance.